Hi friends, it's Mrs. E, the librarian at Kennedy Elementary, and today I'm going to show you how to search for a book in our card catalog. If you come to the library, we have two computers set up where you can search for something that you would like to read. If you are on your own computer, you can go to the Kennedy website and click on Library, and the same site will pop up. So one thing I want you to notice is that it says Kennedy Elementary right here. That means we are searching for books that are at Kennedy in our library where I am. Let's say you wanted to find a book about princess. So in this search bar right here, you or a teacher could help you type in the word princess. Then you click on search. And it's going to show you all of the books that we have in the library that are about princesses. You can find one that you like, and it tells you where to find it. Right here where it says call number, that's where you find it on the shelf. And I can help you, or a teacher can help you, or a friend can help you find it when you are in the library. So let's practice that one more time. If you scroll up, you go to the search, and let's say you wanted to find a book about Pete the Cat. Pete the Cat, and search. And now I have all the books from Pete the Cat that are available at our library that you can check out and bring home and read with your friends or your family, or practice reading on your own. If you need help finding a book in the library, make sure you ask me, Mrs. E, or you can ask Mr. Jack for help, or you can ask your teacher. We want to find books that you like to read so that you can keep reading more and keep becoming a better reader. I hope that I see you guys in the library soon. Have a great day. Bye-bye.